Hi, I'm Abby.
I'm Harper.
I'm Mary.
I'm Rocco.
We
are the Octorara What's So Cool About Manufacturing team. We got partnered with Bender.
Bender's main United States headquarters is located in Exton, Pennsylvania.
We took a trip there, and here's how it went.
Now companies worldwide and doing electric vehicles. So started in a basement. Then they started a smaller establishment that was in a garage. They then bought their first building over in Germany, and then.
This here is all for the customer, but everything else gets wired. Like I said, it takes roughly anywhere from 10 to 12 hours to completely build one of these. And this has a PLC in it, which is programmed to the customer's specifications. You can have up to 12 contactors.
Should have two push buttons right here where the screw is, and it says test and reset. That's a GFI. So if you have anything plugged in there and you're in a cord and you're getting shocked, this thing should interrupt. Okay. So then it's gonna trigger. You cannot use this receptacle anymore until you push it. I need to trigger. I need to interrupt everything. So what this AI will do is it will trigger this switch and force it to open. And the power gets interrupted, and all of this happens in like 20 milliseconds. Boom, like this. And if it's fast enough, it will prevent you from dying. Yeah.
We got to use a stud welding gun. Stud welding gun is used to fuse two or more parts together with an arc.
Thank you, Bender.